Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing something totally different. Yes, we're going into the kitchen, but everything will be prepared in the Instapot. And the meal for today will be black soybean spaghetti with shrimp. You heard me right. And I cannot wait to taste it. Let's go into the kitchen and do some cooking. Okay, all the measurements for the ingredients will be in the description below. I'm also going to link the website that I was using to prepare the pasta in Instapot. Will be linked below with all the instructions and measurements. Okay guys, the shrimp is already peeled, clean, washed, you know, all the good stuff. Now we're going to season it. Let's start with a little bit of onion powder. Remember guys, all the measurements will be in the description below. The garlic powder, black pepper, and this is ground red pepper flakes. That's an option. You don't have to use this. If you don't want to heat, you can exempt it. If you want a little bit of heat, just put a little bit. That's optional and your desire guys, your desire. Okay, a little bit of salt. Mix this together. I'll put this aside to sit for a few minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Even overnight will do. Okay, wash my hands and we'll be right back. Okay guys, we're gonna set up the Instapot. We need to plug it in. Okay, that beep, that's because it's plugged in. Okay guys, once you remove the pot, the cover, you put the cover, you hear that little, and you hear that, and that. Okay, let's set this aside for now, and I'm going to pour a little bit of oil in here, a little bit of cooking oil, and I need to put a little bit of butter in there. Okay, we're going to put it on sauté to do the shrimp. Okay. There we go. And then we're going to use the sauté button to do the shrimp. And we'll sauté, and it's on max. And we'll leave it at 30 minutes. Yeah, we'll leave it there. Okay. And we'll leave it to heat up for a little bit. It's not going to take long, guys. Okay, and my butter. It's unsalted butter. Put that in there. Let that heat up. And we'll start to do what my concept is to put the cooked shrimp in. Okay. I think I needed a spoon. Let me get a spoon to do this. Yeah, that's a lot better. Oh yeah, these are done. Oh my God, I wish if you guys could smell this. Lord. It smells so good. Woo. I'm tempted to taste some of these shrimp. I can't wait for my mom to taste this. Lord. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay guys, I make sure to wash my spoon between to avoid any cross contamination. Okay guys, this is the last of it. And then we'll do the pasta. That's the last of the shrimp. Let that do its thing. Okay guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Tap that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Let's continue. And take these shrimps out for a few minutes. Okay. And there's the shrimp, guys. We'll set this aside. I'll put in the foil because we need to keep it warm. Because the pasta won't take long, trust me. Okay. So we'll scrape this up, put it separate for a while, and we'll come back and use it. Okay, we have 2 cups of water in there. Put the pasta in here. It didn't look a lot to me. Look like a lot. A little bit of salt. Okay guys, I was searching to find out how to do the pasta in the Instapot, and I found a website. I'm gonna leave the website, I'll leave the link in my description below so you guys can, it's a measurement thing to get the pasta right. I did it already once. So this is my second time trying the pasta in the Instapot. The first time it was perfect, it was al dente. Perfect. So now let's try this one. Okay. Alright. And we should be okay. Pressure for 1 minute. And let it do its thing. And yes, we are cooking the pasta for just that time. Let's see. Okay guys, from this it's finished cooking. Now I'm gonna let it let out the steam for the next 5 minutes, and then I will release the steam manually. Right now it's just releasing the steam automatically, and then I'll release the steam after 5 minutes manually, and then we'll see what's going on in there. Okay guys, it's releasing the steam. So I'm going to wait until it's at 5. Then I will manually release the rest of the steam. Okay, so now I'm going to release the steam. Okay, the steam is almost finished being released. And the steam is done released. So let's see what we got. Oh Lord. Oh my God. Okay, so let's drain it. And okay guys, there it is. Okay guys, some of the goodness that we had from earlier. Okay, I'm gonna put this in an individual dish. How about we plate this so we can get a nice picture with the shrimp and the pasta. Let's plate this, guys. Okay guys, let's give this a try. I might as well take the mushroom. Come and taste. Okay guys, I've never had this pasta before. This is the first time I ever have it. Oh my God, this is good. Oh, chair. I have one more pack. I didn't use the 2 packs, so I have one more pack I'm gonna do when my sister is here. No guys, you need to try this. Oh my God, this is so good. Let me get this from my mom. This is for mom to taste. And anybody that know my mother, that lady loves shrimp, guys. I don't know which one she loves more, shrimp or chicken. I don't know. Okay, that's what for mom to taste. I have more shrimp. We have enough shrimp. Leave that there. Let me go back to mine. Guys, this pasta came out good. For cooking spaghetti pasta in the Instapot for the first time, this was good. Anyway guys, don't forget to subscribe, tap that bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and I'm gonna say goodbye because I need to finish this. Don't be judging, don't be judging. Don't forget guys, all the measurements will be in the description below, and I will be linking the information for cooking the pasta in Instapot. I'm gonna put that link in my description below. See you guys.